It's been 29 days since I started incubating these wild mallard duck eggs. The mallard had been nesting in an area where I burn trash once a week, and I scared her away pretty good. She didn't come back after a half hour, so I went ahead and I bought an incubator. It's not like I stole a bunch of eggs from a mallard. She had abandoned them, so I didn't want them to die, so I started incubating them. Every 2 or 3 hours I would turn them over, and now they're hatching out at 5 out of 5. Little cuties. They don't smell too good, but they're cute. And then I have some Jersey Giant chicks that I was gonna combine them all together, and the chicks will help keep the ducklings warm after they're able to walk around a little bit, because the chicks like to peck at things. And right now, I'm afraid the chicks would hurt the ducklings because of their curiosity. It takes a lot of energy for them to get out of an egg, and they get really tired. Not no boys from girls yet, but maybe someday on the well. I don't know much about sex thing now. Okay, thank you.